and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have a box that I'm pretty excited about. Well, I'll just show you. But the reason I am like extra excited is because it's October, so I'm really hoping for spooky bath products in here. I hope. If there's not, then at least October scents in here. I mean, there has to be at least October scents in here, but I really want some spooky stuff in here. Of course, I have no idea how much this box cost. It'll be on the screen. There is a giveaway going on. Don't forget to share out to your friends and family for the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. There are 7 winners for that. It's 6 winners, and then also whoever entered for the Morphe palette. Of course, you know, YouTube has nothing to do with the giveaway. It's all, I'm shedding, it's all 100% me, my money, my products, blah, 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 blah. All right, so let's get into Lavish. Oh, you know what? I did want to show you guys something. I ordered some business cards. Something in this box smells good. I can already smell it. But I ordered 2 sets of business cards. You guys know that I go out and I review food. And so I got that set of business cards in. That's what it, those are blurry. That's what it says. And then on the back, I would leave it on the table like this side up anytime that we would go out to eat, and then my business card, so if they wanted to join my little family here. And then I have other ones in the works. I'll probably get them within the next week or so, but they're just basic business cards that I can just kind of leave out and about. Anyway, let's get into Lavish. Now this box is pretty heavy. Ooh. So you get little black thingies. I don't know what those are. What are squigglies? I don't know. I'm so excited. And something smells so good in this box. Oh my God. So it's all spooky and Halloweeny. And then of course on the back, it does tell you what is in there. And then there are coupons. So I will read those off to you a little bit later. But something smells so freaking delicious in here. So the first thing I am pulling out is Love Spell Type Twisted Allure. And it says, on the back, it says Twisted Allure, Jason Rises, Whipped Sugar Scrub. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells so good. And it has Jason's mask in there. Ooh-wee-oo. Oh, that smells so good. What's it feel? Ooh, and it feels like, it's like marshmallowy. That's cool. And then that's probably just like an additional little soap in there. That is cool. Let's see, what does it say? Jason Rises Sugar Scrub, topped with your favorite slasher, Jason. This exfoliating whipped sugar scrub is scented in a decadent love spell fragrance, a fresh blend of fruits and florals, sweetened with vanilla. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Exclusive for Lavish Bath Box, Oogie Bath Bomb. And the scent is Firewood Bergamot. Oh my God, that smells so good. If I wasn't going to take a bath tonight, I am now. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. And then the next thing I am pulling out is, it's Showtime Bubble Bar. That's an okay smell. It's more florally, which isn't really my thing. I mean, I can be okay with like some florals, but there are a lot of florals that aren't my thing, and that one really isn't my thing, but it's super cute. Let's see, what does it say? It's shower time bubble bar. Be the ghost with the most bubbles with this iconic bubble bar, topped with a creepy crawlers and scented in a fruity mixture of apples and mango. I am not getting that at all. Maybe something else, maybe kind of is masking the smell, because I smell floral. But I did read that something else in here is floral. So this Jimmy's Roses Shower Steamer. Let's see, where is that? Well, it's not this. Copper Cat Apothecary Lavender Shower Steamer. Well, this says Lavender Shower Steamer. And that smells pretty good. Let's see. Okay, so this must have been... They must have just swapped these out, because it says Jimmy's Roses Shower Steamer on here, but this says Lavender Shower Steamer. So there is that. And it smells good. I wonder where that like heavily floral is coming from. I don't know. All right, let's keep digging. Oh, how cute. Edward Scissorhands. So this is Edward Scissorhands Bath Bomb. Oh, that smells so good. Feel as free as Kim dancing in the snow in this beautifully detailed bath bomb filled with colorful embeds and scents in zesty lemon, peach, raspberry, pear, plum, grape, and vanilla. That does smell really good. I do smell the grape in that. I think that's what I smell the most, is the grape. And then oh man, I didn't want this box to end. Okay, the last thing is Camp Crystal Lake Bath and Body Oil. And it is glittery. Let's see. It's a bath and body oil. Scented in blueberry, bergamot, blackberry, vanilla cream, raspberry, and musk. Let's... Oh, please don't spill. Oh, it does have a safety seal. But it came off pretty easy. Oh, that smells so good. I love that. It says bath and body oil, so I wonder if you can just put it on your... Welcome to Camp Crystal Lake. Take a dip in ultra moisturizing waters with a shimmering bath and body oil, scented in blueberry and bergamot, blackberry, vanilla, and a hint of musk. I do like that. Oh, I should probably not try to dump that out anyway, but it did kind of come off on my finger. I rub it in. I would say probably just in the bath, because it does have like a blue residue. So probably in the bath, just so that kind of disperses. But okay, just to recap. So we got a bath and body oil. We got a bath bomb. Well, we got a couple of bath bombs. And this was a bubble bar. And then a shower steamer. So that was a really cute box. I really enjoyed that box. I can't figure out what the smell is that I'm not really like taking to. It's gotta be whatever this is. It's gotta be that. Oh, and I did forget about this. We also got this. Totally forgot about that. I just kind of set it off to the side and there it was. But, oh my God. I just love this box so much, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so just real quick for you guys, there are a couple of coupons here if you guys are interested. So at Unique Commodities, it's 10% off code with Showtime 10. And that's right there, Unique Commodities. And then the Witch's Bath, but that's spelled like that. Like there's not an apostrophe in there or it doesn't have an ES, it just has witch and then an S. 10% code off of Lavish 10. And then there is Red Ferns Bath Treats, which is a 20% off with Lavish 20. So that is Lavish Bath Box. Again, I never know how much this stuff costs, but I love this box so much. I really think this was a good box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.